Minecraft is the most popular computer game in the history. Originally from 2011, it has many different versions of plugins, mods, and even it is used for the study. In winter semester 2020, I chosen the studio directed by Professor Stefan Worps. It's called Baucraft Studio. Their master students have to design the architecture school in the digital cubic space of the Minecraft. The first step of our studio was a small research about the environment in the game. Environmental zones in Minecraft are called biomes. There is a wide range of biomes, from the desert by mountain snowy hills. Also, one specific feature of the game is caves that are interconnected to each other, creating a huge system of an underground biome. It was decided not to build in the desert-like biomes, as there is not a lot of nature that gives us an understanding of the human scale. By the way, the human characters in Minecraft are 2 meters high, that is also affect architectural decisions. Thus, I found 3 biomes that are the most interesting for me, called taiga, ice plants, and mega taiga. The first was beneficial, it was snowy and a little bit hilly. The second was the unique but weird, as all trees were made from ice. But the important was that they were homogeneous, thus it was easier to design in such type of biomes. However, it was the third one type, that is mega taiga. It has trees that are more than 15 meters high, as in the real world. During the second step, some sketches created and some ideas were listed. The first was the modular system, based on the cube. As Minecraft has a cubic, or in other words, voxel world, it was decided that building may resemble this feature. The second point was, as the gravity doesn't affect most blocks in the world, we may ignore some bearing constructing elements, such as columns or structure walls. Therefore, the building can fly in the air. Consequently, we have the third point, to keep as many trees as it possible. The initial sketch was looking like the cellular structure with some bodies inside. Coming to the structure, it is a structure that consists of 3 main elements: the main framework, the white transparent element that includes 5 cubes in the structure. The second is the wooden sticks, which are living spaces and vertical communication, staircases. The third was 3 spherical elements made from wooden sticks as a semi-transparent material. There are 3 auditoriums. Generally, we have a solid composition that is floating above the forest, touching it only at one point, which is the entrance. Construction period, the first element which was erected was the cellular structure, then the spherical elements were assembled. The second step was the wooden sticks and its perforation, which add dynamics in the scale. At the same time, there were some experimental spaces created, a secret library and a room of darkness. Both these facilities are underground and keep the true Minecraft spirit, as most players build the living complexes underground. It was complicated to connect the underground part and the floating in the air part together. However, this wooden stick style unifies all these facilities. Also, we can find underground a swimming pool, rooms for consultations, and a cafe. During the design, it was interesting how to optimize the work with some complicated shapes in Minecraft. One idea appeared to connect a program for 3D modeling with Minecraft. I chose Rhinoceros 3D and Grasshopper, as there can be used C# scripts. After a few days of constant work, the script was ready. It transforms different shapes and curves into voxels. Then voxels are transformed in commands, and the commands are sent gradually in Minecraft. So the special script was written for the studio and published on the special site. To conclude, it might be said that Minecraft can be useful for architects, especially during studies, as an instrument of designing. It is simple, however, this world of cubes makes students think in another way, to widen their understanding of architecture.